Okay, guys, welcome to another Mesh pre-weekly technicals. So first off, we'll jump straight into the DXY. Once again, we got this a monthly chart. We got 3 days left on monthly closure. At the minute, price is bouncing off that important area of support that we've been keeping an eye on, which is also the neckline for the head and shoulders, which is not yet playing out. But we've had a nice clean bounce off that. Stay 3 days left on the monthly. Let's go into the weekly. Sorry, just looking at that monthly, we had, even though we bounced off that area, we've still got this previous higher low, which is still a higher low here. So we'll see if price can come up and tap this 105 area before coming back down, or whether we can start making higher highs. We go into the weekly. So when we look at the weekly here, we mentioned we keep bouncing off this area around 101.750. Price did break below, but wasn't able to establish much resistance. We've absolutely ripped through, and we've broken through this area 103.500 that we've been keeping an eye on, which has been acting as resistance. Price has absolutely ripped through that area. It's also this 104 area was also holding as resistance. You can see these big wicks to the upside, holding as support here. Support. Been acting as resistance, and now, as you can see, price has just flipped up, not respecting that zone at all. So we could see a bit of a pullback to the 103.500 area, establishing support and then moving upwards. So maybe the DXY will establish support at the 104 area. You mentioned we ripped up above that area, which has been an important area of support previously. We've also got the trend line in play, which we go down into the daily. We have a little look closer. Let me say that this area here, it's just very choppy around that 101.750 area. So price has been trading above and below it, not establishing much support, much resistance, a lot of indecision in the market at the minute. Obviously with the debt ceiling heights, a bit of indecision on that. So we're seeing at the minute nice clean bullish structure on the daily. You say it's that found resistance here at 103.500, come down, retap this trend line, broke through the 104 area, and now we're looking at price starting to establish support at that 104 area on the daily, which is also that little running trend line that we've got. So I'd like to see what happens when we open up tomorrow. If we can establish support at the 104 area, come up towards this 105 area, maybe see what happens in this range. A break of this trend line and 104 not establishing support, we could see a drop down to 107.50. But yeah, I'll be watching this 105 area and paying attention. Basically, we're just in this big range at the minute with DXY. So between the 105 and the 101.750 area, price could come up, retap this area, and then come back down in this range. But once again, we're just adapt and react, and we'll have to see how price acts when we open up tomorrow. Yeah, let's go down for the call. Yeah, very, very choppy at the minute, but yeah, that's what I'll be waiting on DXY at the minute. Yeah. Yes, we see 103.500 as well. We could pull back under that, where we see this area over here acting as resistance. The price could open up and then come back down to retest this area, and then come up and be trapped in that bit of a range there. But once again, we just have to see how price opens up on Monday. That's it for the DXY. Jump into BTC.